Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to update or reinstall Cash App safely. First of all, open the App Store and then search for Cash App. After that, tap update if you see the button available. Updating your app will remove all the outdated data and the newest ones will arrive, fixing all the bugs. So make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're going to reinstall it, long press the app, click on remove app and then click on delete app. Then reopen App Store and then just reinstall it. After reinstalling, log in again with your code. And safety tip, only use the official green square Cash App logo. Quick fix, restart your phone before reinstalling to clear bugs. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.